Hi, this is Vizi Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how does alt text works on Instagram post. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go. You may have heard of alt text or alternative text on Instagram recently. This increasingly popular topic is being adopted more and more by users on Instagram and is a feature that has been present for a while but hasn't received the attention it truly deserves. Alternative text can help you reach a broader audience and improve accessibility on your Instagram channel. Why alt text on Instagram is important? Alternative text may display when a photo is very slow to load, when using a browser for the visual impaired, or when using a screen reader that tells you what is on an image. Instagram automatically generates alt text for your post, but it often does not capture all the full context and description of the image in the post. You can write your own alt text to more accurately describe your photo. Alt text is important for accessibility and SEO. It allows screen readers to read off description of images to visually impaired users, and it allows search features and search engines to more easily discover your content based on the description provided. Overall, it's a good idea to start writing your own alternative text for your Instagram post. It will help you reach the largest audience possible on Instagram. So, if you want to write alternative text on your post, I will show you. If you already post your photos and you haven't add the alternative post and you want to add the alternative post, alternative text, you can tap on the post that you want to add the alternative text. I'll choose this. Now you can tap on the upper right corner of the post on the three dots here. You can tap on that. You can tap on edit. You can see there is an option, edit alt text. You can tap on that. You can describe your photos for people with visual impairments. As example, I will describe this like this. You can tap on the upper right corner here. You can tap on the upper right corner here and it's done. You can refresh. And the alt text will seen by someone who's using readers mode on their phone or Instagram. So that is how does alternative text works on Instagram post. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.